Hey guys, Andrew Gerard here. First of all, if you haven't subbed to this channel or this playlist, please do. If you're a photographer, a retoucher, an editor, or a model, I'm going to be sharing a whole bunch of really cool tutorials in the next month. And I've just been so busy shooting, which is why I'm here today. This is an out-of-camera shot on the beach with a wonderful model, Paige, in Vancouver, Canada, where I live. I wanted to share with you the 3 steps that I use for retouching. Without going in detail, this is going to be a super quick video. I just want you guys to see the reality of where I start from. So this is our out of camera. This, I flip the image and create a reflection. I do that in Photoshop. You'll notice on the leg and around here there's a ripple effect. In Photoshop, that's just a filter called ripple. And then finally I replace the sky and I add a sun up in the top right corner and do my special color technique that I'm going to be releasing to get this. So as you can see, I want you to see fully how these images start and where they end up. A couple of things important to note here if you're going to do an image like this. The top right corner where the sun is, or the fake sun that I put, I have my strobe camera right, as you can see on her knee and the light on her face, from a Godox AD600 with about a 30-inch beauty dish to create this light on her. Then I excuse that light by putting in a fake sun in the top right in Luminar 4, and I add a little bit of rays. That combined with the reflection and some color grading makes it look like this could legitimately be a real sun shot. So let me remind you, that's our beginning, that's our end. And because I just want people to know the reality of how much retouching goes in, I shoot very flat. Very little color, very little contrast. If you were to see this in a waveform, you'd see no blacks, no blown out highlights. It's a very centralized waveform. Because I'm a cinematographer, this is how I shoot with films or movies, so I shoot my photography the same way. Anyway, that's step 1. Here comes the flip and mirror with the ripple effect in Photoshop. Finally, the color, contrast, and light punches up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm just starting to build this playlist, guys and gals, so I appreciate your support. And let me know in the comments if you'd like me to break this one down in detail using Luminar 4 and Photoshop. That's it. Andrew Gerard, out.